friends, welcome back. So our next topic is rectangular component of vector in a plane. In a plane, a vector is on there. So what are its other components along the axis? So here I have drawn a diagram. I have taken a point O as an origin. A vector is moving along O toward the point R, and that is given by the vector A. We have to find out vector A's the two rectangular component of vector A. Okay, so let's start. Consider a vector A represents by OR has to be resolved into rectangular component vectors along the direction of x and y axis. Along the direction of x axis and y axis, इसके x और y axis में क्या क्या component रहेंगे वो निकालना है. Okay, from point R, draw a perpendicular on x axis and on y axis. x axis पर और y axis पे perpendicular draw करना है. तो जब perpendicular draw करेंगे तो x axis पे जो point meet करेगा उसको P बोलेंगे. The perpendicular meet on y axis will be Q. Okay, so there is a distance from OP and OQ. The point where P meets the x axis given by OP, that is your AX, vector AX, and the point where R meets on y axis is Q, and the distance from O to Q is vector AY. So AX and AY are the perpendicular point meted drawn through the R. So OP equals to AX and OQ equals to AY are the rectangular component. Now we have to find out that AX and AY's what are the other values. Okay, from triangle law of vector addition, OR equals to OP plus PR. Vector OR equals to vector OP plus vector PR. Vector OR is equals to vector OP plus vector PR. Here we have gone through triangle law. So OR equals to OP plus PR. Okay, but here we have already mentioned AX along OP and OQ AY. So OQ and PR are same. Okay, OQ and PR are same. So PR is equals to OQ. So OQ का वैल्यू AY है तो PR का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा वेक्टर AY. ओके, सो OR इक्वल्स टू OP प्लस OQ. OR इक्वल्स टू वेक्टर A, OP इक्वल्स टू वेक्टर AX, OQ इक्वल्स टू वेक्टर AY. So OP, OR and OQ value we have after deputing here. What will be the equation? The equation will become vector A equals to vector AX plus vector AY. This is the rectangular component of vector A. We have mentioned it as equation number 1. Okay, but rectangular component has also the other components, and they are its unit vector. So let I and J be the unit vector along OX and along OX I, along J OI. There is one third dimension along Z. For Z I, J and K, we take K for the third axis. Here we are doing with 2 dimension. Okay, so AX can be written as vector AX can be written as AX dot I. What is AX here? AX is the modulus of the vector. Okay, AX dot unit vector, and modulus into unit vector give you a vector. Similarly, AY equals to vector AY equals to AY into J, means unit vector J multiplied with modulus of vector AY, it gives you vector AY. So substituting these two values over here in equation number 1. What is vector A? Vector A will become vector AXI plus vector A become AX vector I cap plus AY J cap. This is the equation number 2. This is the next kind of equation. This is also correct. This is also correct. Okay. Moving further, in triangle OPR, angle PRO theta degree. Okay. So we have to use this theta. We have to find out cos theta and sin theta. So cos theta equals to OP by OR, base by hypotenuse, AX by A. This is your AX, this is your A. So AX equals to vector A cos theta. Similarly, for that you have to find out sin theta. Sin theta equals to PR by OR, perpendicular by hypotenuse. PR is your AY, vector AY, and OR is your vector A. So AY equals to A sin theta. Okay, and again only in this triangle we are using Pythagoras theorem. OR square equals to OP plus PR square. So what is OR square? OR square equals to AX square. OR is equals to A square. So OP is equals to AX square and AY square. So A square equals to AX square plus AY square. We have to find out the value of A. A is equals to root over AX square plus AY square. This is the magnitude value of vector A. We have taken as equation number 3. These are the rectangular components of vector A in terms of x and y axis. This is the magnitude of vector A. To find out a direction, in which direction this vector A is going, we have to take tan theta. We have already taken sin theta, we have already taken cos theta, now we are going to take a tan theta. Tan theta equals to PR by OP. PR by OP, perpendicular by base. So what is PR? PR is your AY. What is OP? OP is your AX. So AY by AX. This will give you tan theta, the direction of vector A with respect to the x-axis or with respect to OP. Okay, this is the equation. First important topic, important equation. Second important equation.